In this video, I will show some of the major components of a helicopter, particularly the AH-64 Apache helicopter. For movability, the Apache has a strong and very durable 4-blade propeller located on the top. Located at the rear is another but smaller 4-blade propeller used for steering and turning the helicopter. At night, the Apache can virtually see as clear as daylight thanks to the night vision and thermal camera located in the front. Behind the cockpit is located the twin engine that is capable of moving the helicopter at speeds of 185 miles per hour. The Apache is armed with a 30mm chain gun under the aircraft's belly. It also carries a mixture of Hellfire and Hydra 70 rockets. The Apache uses a reverse tricycle landing gear with bulletproof rubber tires. Now let's see the helicopter in the air. The Apache is capable of stopping fairly quickly and flying sideways. It can also spin 360 degrees on a dime. Here you can see the Apache in action. And those are some of the major components of the Apache.